Wondering what makes our lifts different to conventional elevators? Our unique lift concept makes buying and installing a lift a much faster and easier process than you could ever imagine. A screw-driven lift is a simple and ingenious system. The lift car is attached to a drive nut that moves up and down the screw, powered by an electric motor. Thanks to the simplicity of the system, our lifts are much more space-efficient than conventional elevators and fit seamlessly into existing buildings. Our machinery is compact enough to fit inside the shaft. That means that your lift needs no separate machine room, pit, or extra headroom. Whether you need a small and compact solution or a big and powerful one, we offer the widest range of platform sizes in the market. Your lift is a blank canvas. From the floors, door handles, colors, and door types, you get to create a lift in tune with your unique sense of style. Because our lifts are delivered in ready-made modules, they require much less building work than conventional elevators. Design is another important factor. We are guided by the Scandinavian design tradition, where beauty and function go hand in hand. We're never far away. Contact us to learn more.